Guys, tingnan nyo yung building ha. Yung Burj Al Arab. Yun o.
Don't forget your belongings, your bags, your mobile phone.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to take off.
Grabe, ang bilis naman nun.
Yes guys, we're here guys at the middle of the sea guys.
Huwag kayong maingay, si BJ yung mag-explain.
As you can see guys, there's the tornado over the center of the sea. And later guys, we will show the shark is just extravaganza.
We're going up.
Wow, I want to ride the jet ski.
What? Sunday pa.
Sunday, we'll go to ride the jet ski.
Yeah.
Yes, I like it.
It's Charlotte's birthday celebration!
Yay!
Oh, pwede Sunday na.
Sunday dapat flight nyo na ng Monday. Kaya ano muna makapag-shopping ka.
Let's go.
Puti, dapat suot puti ka. Ako maganda yung marami akong daddy doon. Daddy moves. Puti. O yung mga ano. Daddy.
Tingnan nyo guys, restroom, bullat.
Ano, pwede na dito.
Oh, pwede na.
Kahit manta, pwede na rin.
Kahit mag-tumbling, Ate Kay, pwede na.
Pakita mo ano yung tsura.
Ayos sumakit ng tiyan Kay. Yo guys, this is the BJ guys from Philippines guys. Amoy gumamela.
Speed game sa Sound Duty tayo na nababawasan.
Yung 1 million?
1 million alpha.
1 million
Per room?
Yes.
Oh my god, ipakita daw nila.
Move. Dito ka.
Ito ma'am.
Sa unahan. Mga turista sa unahan.
So this is the experience suite. It was previously a royal suite. A royal suite is where presidents, royalty teams, even celebrities used to stay. And it used to cost $54,000 American per night and the minimum stay of 3 nights. We have turned it into a museum for you to learn more about Burj Al Arab's history and architecture. After the museum, we'll visit the original royal suite on the other side of the hotel, preserved since 1999 with its original carpet, setup and furniture for you to experience.
Oh my god, ayan na. Wow. Wow.
We will start from the second floor, where we have the architecture studio and dining experience. Then we'll come back down to the iconic moments, and finally, the Catalyst, where you will enjoy Arabic coffee and dates complimentary. And if you have the beverage package, you'll enjoy it at the Catalyst's Uma Lounge. Upstairs to the right.
Lingi din. Guys, mahal. Makalula, mahal. Ay, sino? Oh my god. Parang wow. Just wow. Wow. My goodness, kagwapo. Kita dyan. Taas na din, mahal eh.
Grabe no?
Hindi siya masyadong ano ba? Hindi siya masyadong mataas tingnan. Malaki kasi siya mahal. Hindi siya kaya taas tingnan.
Mahal ba? Ito kayo ng mga resort. O, tanong mo. Ay, grabe din ang Dubai man. Grabe sila pag-apit sa mga ko. Tanong po. Everywhere you look.
Organized. Everywhere you look, organized.
Tapos na yung mga pools. Tanong mo ba? Hilig sila tubig. Kainin mo ng tubig.
Grabe guys. Amazing Dubai.
Meron ka 2 milyon kalahati. Makakapagtulog ka dito ng 3 araw.
Lang
per,
after.
per night daw yun, tapos minimum 3 days. So, taklong 2.5. Sakina 7.3.
Isang araw lang yung ano?
2.5.
2.5 galing.
Mumulubi tayo dito. Guys, 2.5, almost 2.5 sa peso, no?
Oh,
2.5
isang
million.
araw.
Isang gabi, isang araw.
Isang araw lang. At least, tapos hanggang 3 araw wala.
7.5.
Minimum 3 days pa. So sa 3 days na, 8 million.
Kahit manalo ka sa loto, hindi ka mag-ano dito eh. Sayang eh.
Okay. Yun yung construction. Napag-construct mahal, oh. Ang ilang foundation. Ito yung foundation. Somebody's watching me and my anxiety running. Guys, pasok na naman kami dito. Yan o. Ano to? Dining. Ang galing ah.
Ito lang ko eh.
Sige. Yan o. Para tayong naging drawing lang ah. Sige. Guys, picture na naman. Ayun, baba na tayo guys. Saan na ba ang next? Ito, 360.
Yeah.
2?
Back to
Back to back.
Are you up?
Ready for that?
That's the same.
Yes.
Walang ganyan si BJ eh.
Grabe, effective talaga.
Sige.
At tama talaga na.
Ako yung video ko sa
Oh, di ba? Busy. Alright, mahal.
Enjoy ako dun. Sa 360 na ano. Anong tawag dun? Video o sa...
Video 360.
Ano to?
Ano ba to? Libre?
Ba't ang dami?
Move iPad around and place gray box. Ah, okay. Wait lang.
Maglaro tayo. Maglaro tayo. Wait. Uy, andun yung mga videos natin. Mandali.
Excuse.
Change happened.
This one's the biggest and most expensive suite in all Burj Al Arab. Now you will go inside, you will visit each room inside, and you will know all information about the royal suite.
Bumalik lang tayo.
Huh? Hindi.
Ba to?
No, bumalik lang tayo.
Suite, the gem in the crown of Burj Al Arab.
We're done
Please
here.
come inside. We have been expecting you.
Yeah, we finish here. Oh,
Ay,
ate
hindi.
Chan,
Ito na ata yung original. Ha?
Oo, ate, dyan tayo galing.
Yeah.
Dyan tayo galing. Ate Cha.
Asan na sila? Tawagin ko lang.
Ay, iba ba?
Eh, iba siya, iba ata.
Iba siya eh.
Ah, okay.
So, good morning dear visitors. Once again, welcome to the Royal Suite. My name is Rin and I am one of the butler for the Royal Suite. Here you can see the gold and marble staircase, 24-karat gold-plated walls, ceilings, even the private elevator here, all designed to amaze and delight you. You can take photos, videos, as much as you like here, but we have one humble request. We cannot sit on the sofas or the furnitures here as they are considered antiques. First, we will start with the living room. Once we are done, we will go upstairs to see two beautiful bedrooms. This will be the last room, the dining room. Exit will also be inside the dining room. So first we will start with the living room here.
那对，拍照那都尽量不要坐他沙发，不要对坐，对对，拍照。这个是最贵的，它是帮这里的，就是这里的。
Welcome to the living room.
它每个房间都有个
So, simula 1999 pa to guys, hindi pa nila inuulit. Original pa lahat.
Na makikita mo sa paligid. Lahat yan, 24K karat.
24K na karat pa. 24 karat.
Yes, you can
Bawal.
come inside. Here at the top of the building, you will see mostly of the color red, orange, pink, yellow. As the interior designer, Quan Qiu used the fire element to represent it, as it is the strongest and brightest of all the colors. Here we have the walls covered in silk, which can change color depending on the light. The carpet here is made from Kashmir, India. And if you take a look at this screen, this is a Japanese screen which is over 200 years old from the 19th century.
哇，这后面那个屏风是日本的有200年的历史，日本做的。
Talking about screens, we have another room here. The TV room. The TV is also 24-karat gold-plated, customized for Burj Al Arab. Wow!
Gold na TV.
难怪拿个刀刮刮它呢。
From LG.
刮点回去了。
Bawal mag ano. Bawal mag-upo. Antique na yan.
哇，这么夸张！
Grabe guys, expensive lahat.
金色的电视，哎，24金啊！不要会用手刮会罚款的啊！所以我就要個電視機翻好啦。係喎。 要買真的真的。
就是那个地的。
玩了，就是不要东西上面搞买嘛。
哦。
中高的啊。
翻咗同你整個金嘅啫。
那個中呢度
Ako, ano?
差不多就这样子，卖给我。我问他呗，我说。
Ano siya ang kuan? Katugungan na alam. Makita ni mo na sa skydiving ba? Let's go.
Lahat ng mga gold na nakikita mo is 24 karat. Kana mga 24 karat.
Di kahoy man eh. Kahoy.
Kasi na si Josh mo. Saka niya siya.
Kahoy ni. Kahoy.
We can go up to the right to see the bedroom.
Kahoy pa rin. Ito ang ano, gold.
Kailangan ko nang i-post ko mga pictures at videos. Ang dami na. Ubusan ako ng data. Anong data ng
Storage.
Upgrade ka ng ano, iCloud. iCloud kasi.
Hindi ako nag-iCloud.
May mag-picture dara. Uy, picture daw ko nga.
Yun na siguro mga balay sa King, no?
Picture daw ko nga.